Hey guys, Super Gadget Guy here. I know you guys saw me unboxing a drip Cuisinart coffee maker a few days ago and to replace my broken automatic espresso machine. But the drip coffee just totally tastes not up to par when you compare coffee made from a espresso machine. And I saw this one at the store at Costco and it's on sale. Pretty good price if you can find them at Costco. I can't find them online. I don't know why it showed up at my local Costco. It's the Saeco Syntia. I'll do a review video on what I don't like about the coffee maker. It's not really fully automatic, unlike something like this. You can just load the beans on top and then it will use however much beans needed, but based on what kind of coffee you want to make and how strong you want it. And these are pretty compact and small design. You basically load beans and water. And just basically tell you that it's, has a 3-color display, very quiet grinder and energy efficient. So here it is. It's made in Italy. It's the Saeco Syntia stainless steel model. Big box. So let me unbox it. So you start with a quick start guide with control panel, display head, water wand, water tank, service door, power button, use grind container. Basically this makes espresso on its own. It's pretty cool. Very similar to what I have. Comes with the Intenza water filter. Because it's automatic, these things are very picky about water. Needs descaling, needs filter water, so we just use filter water. But it's pretty cool that it comes with a water filter as well. So hopefully this will keep this coffee maker maintenance free for longer. Some sort of scoop and adjustment tool. Have this tray device that's plastic mainly, but that seems like metallic. Let's put this in. More usage guide. I think that's Italian and English. Two very decent sized booklet. And some sort of food grade grease. I think I got that before. So here's the unit out of the box. Pretty much fully assembled already. Let's see. So there's 4 buttons here. And the unit itself is stainless steel. And then there's a button here. It's pretty tight. I have no idea what it does yet. And then this is the spout when the coffee comes out. Here was where the bean goes. Don't know. It's similar to the last model. The water tank should be on the left side. Change their design a little bit. So here's the water tank. Seems to be extremely small. I think my last model had a bigger water tank, and that's where the water filter is supposed to go. You see. So. And this is where the cake's supposed to go. Disposal. So they make a front loading now. power switch in the back, which doesn't happen before. And you have a separate power button up front, so it's easier to turn on and off. Okay, after I'm going to do the manual real quickly. We're going to put the bean, and this is adjustment on how fine you want the grinds to be. I like mine, that setting is good. And here, it's like a little trap door you open. Is that when you have run out of bean, you can put pre-grind coffee in here to use that. So here's the where the garbage comes out, and then this is where the magic happens. You open the side door. So this is the mechanism that does the automatic. So here's the, I don't know the technical term for the espresso, but that's the chamber where the pressure pushes the water through the bean grinds. And then it's supposed to come out into the garbage, so you don't have to worry about it. Put it back properly. So here it is. This is the unboxing and first look of the Saeco Syntia stainless steel coffee maker. I will definitely use this like right now because I'm extremely tired in the morning and I need coffee to wake me up. I'll definitely make it and I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Please rate this video, and if you have any questions, please post it below. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.